Very sweet good morning, my dear students. Today you are going to see a letter to the editor in which very burning topic, social evil, is described, that is dowry. This is the address, as I had already given you question of this letter. This is the address 83/7 Shastri Square, Karol Bagh, New Delhi. Now date 6 October. The editor, the Hindustan Times, New Delhi. Okay. Then subject: fight against the social evil of dowry. Okay. You are well familiar with the format of letter to the editor, so I think there is no need to tell it again to you. Sir, through the column of your esteemed newspaper, आपके शानदार पेपर के कॉलम के माध्यम से I would like to suggest some possible ways to eliminate the menace of dowry in our society. मैं सजेस्ट करना चाहूँगा कुछ तरीके जो समाज में डाउरी सिस्टम, जो दहेज प्रथा फैली हुई है, वो कैसे दूर की जाए. ओके, so this is the first paragraph, introductory paragraph is said. Okay, now second paragraph where the main issue is described. Okay, every day virtually all types of media are full of stories. हर दिन आप हर तरह की मीडिया में, whether it is newspaper, whether television, etc., magazine, are full of stories of atrocities committed on women. Atrocities, अत्याचार. क्या? अत्याचार. Expertise. अत्याचार committed on women in the name of tradition. किस नाम पर? परंपरा के नाम. People say it is tradition that bride's parents are, bound to give dowry to groom or groom's parents. ठीक है, दूल्हे के पेरेंट्स को दुल्हन के घर वाले दहेज देते ही देते ही एक प्रथा. वन सच एट्रोसिटी इज डाउरी. ऐसी एक प्रथा है दहेज प्रथा. और सोशल इविल, एक सामाजिक प्रथा, बुराई, प्रिवलेंट इन बोथ अर्बन एज वेल एज रूरल एरियाज. अर्बन एरियाज और रूरल एरियाज दोनों में ये बुराई पाई जाती है. ठीक है, दहेज पाया जाता है. ओके, of our country. To stop it, how to stop this evil? To stop it, a multi-dimensional strategy has to be adopted by the government. लोगों को विभिन्न प्रकार की स्ट्रेटेजी बनानी चाहिए. इसके लिए गवर्नमेंट को बनानी चाहिए. एक्चुअली इस तरह के प्रोविजंस करने चाहिए. गवर्नमेंट शुड गिव arrange some provisions against dowry and people alike, और लोगों को. We should, parents should not to take dowry, not to give dowry. ना दहेज देना है, ना दहेज लेना है. And government is also supposed to, make provisions. ठीक है, against dowry demand. Those people who demand dowry must be sent to jail. Cases should be lodged on against them. The government on their part should make dowry more stringent and should hold the police and district level officials. जो भी पुलिस है आपकी या डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल ऑफिशियल्स हैं, they must be told to take action against dowry demanders. Accountable for their implementation. उनको implement करें नियमों को, कानूनों को दहेज के खिलाफ. Also a mechanism of effective reporting without affecting the image of girls family should be revised. बिना गर्ल फैमिली के, बिना दुल्हन के परिवार के नाम लिए या और उनको प्रताड़ित किए, ठीक है, उसको लोगों को इस बुराई को छापना चाहिए, बताना चाहिए, डिस्कस करना चाहिए, ठीक है। The public should on their part be educated. लोगों को एजुकेटेड होना जरूरी है। To eliminate this evil, people must be educated and empathetic toward the cause. और तो सोचना चाहिए कारण क्यों है। They must take a pledge. They must take a pledge. Take a pledge. एक ओथ लेनी चाहिए, एक शपथ लेनी चाहिए, ठीक है। That we should not demand dowry. Moreover, if they see anyone asking for it, उसके बाद भी अगर कोई दहेज मांगता है, the matter should be immediately brought to the notice of the relevant authorities. पुलिस को कंप्लेंट कीजिए, ठीक है, केस दायर कीजिए, जो कंसर्न अथॉरिटीज और जो ऑफिशियल से उनको आप शिकायत करिए, एसपी को लिखिए, ठीक है। Only when we take strict and holistic action will this menace be rooted out completely. अगर ऐसे एक्शन हम लेंगे तो ये बुराई जड़ से खत्म हो जाएगी, ठीक है। इसी तरह पॉज करना। Then this evil will be eliminated from root. तब ये बुराई बिल्कुल जड़ से खत्म हो जाएगी। The defaulter should be punished. Those people who demand dowry, they must be punished. Okay? And no bail should be allowed. उनकी जमानत भी नहीं होना चाहिए। और ऐसा है, this is the major, offense. ये बहुत बड़ा अपराध है। If you are there nominating the FIR, it means you are not going to get bail. आपको जमानत बहुत जल्दी नहीं मिलेगी, ओके। बेल भी अलाउ नहीं करनी चाहिए। तो ऑफेन I think by educating people, I think if society is aware, I think if our government is aware, I think if strict action are being taken against them, then this evil, social evil, will be eliminated from the root forever. Okay? Now the last paragraph. I hope that you will publish my views on the front page of your esteemed newspaper so that people may be aware about this evil, dowry, demand, and concerned authority officers also should look into the matter. Okay? Then yours truly, yours sincerely, XYZ. If name is given, then you are supposed to put the same name here. If name is not given, then you should put there ABCXYZ, not your own name. Okay? Don't say. Now it is clearly visible, you could see it. I have written in very small actually font. It might be possible you can't see it. Now you could see it clearly. Okay, I hope that you all have understood this letter now. You are going to get home assignment, homework. I am going to give you another question. You are supposed to solve this question. Write a letter to the editor on this topic at your home. After completing your work, you are supposed to send it to me on my personal WhatsApp number so that I could check it whether it's correct or not. It is the homework. Okay? Thank you. God bless you. Have a nice day.